So I think one of the core components that has been done extremely well here is addressing all the layers of the stack. AI requires all the layers, and you have to ensure that security exists at each one of those layers and is overlapping, right? Security can't just happen at one point. You need to have overlapping, concurrent, and redundant security. And that's what Cisco has brought with the Secure AI Factory stack. So we have our traditional network security, our firewalls at the edge, and with our mesh firewall within the data center. But we also now have the ability to secure the containers, secure runtime, right? So secure east-west traffic between pods and secure actual process execution on containers with Isovalent and Tetravalent. And we also have the ability to go all the way up to layer 7 and then protect and analyze the prompts and responses that are actually being sent to and being produced by the AI solution. So by addressing security at all layers of the stack, from the edge to your east-west networking, to your process execution, and to your prompts and responses, you're ensuring that all areas are covered. And if there is a gap in one of those areas, it can be addressed in another.
So, Matt, what does done right look like?
Yeah, I mean, look, it's the defense in depth conversation, right? Like Rohan mentioned, we've got security to every layer of the stack, and when you're looking at, like, especially at the isovalent side, right? Which I think you and I have talked before.
Yes,
I feel is very underrated in kind of what its capabilities are, and they're releasing more feature sets all the time. But if you look at, for example, AVPF gives you the ability to look at the process level.
exactly.
So if I have a bad actor who is trying to, for example, exfil my model weights, which is part of my IDP, I can actually stop that process from ever beginning. Right?
Yes.
So I can kill the process before it actually is gathering data. This is something that doesn't exist in, other customer stacks, other partner stacks, other vendor stacks. So, like, Cisco has done a really amazing job of putting this whole thing together, thinking about it from top to bottom as a foundational layer.